Okay, so the focus of this tutorial is to show you how to make use of the free features which are available in your college email. Now, every student is given a college email which they will use to communicate with their lecturers both internally and externally. Now, also available in that college email is a 1 terabyte OneDrive storage space and also free access to Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Access for up to 5 of your computers. Now, when you purchase a computer, you may get these applications pre-installed. However, the license only lasts for, I think, about 30 to 60 days. Once the license has expired, you will then need to purchase license for these applications. Now, this can prove to be a little bit expensive. Now, as a student, you can uninstall the one that is on the new machine that you bought and install the free one from within your college email. They both have the same features, nothing different except one is free. Now, I created a tutorial that shows you how to uninstall an application. You can go watch that before you attempt this process. Now, everything is located at the college website, and the college website you can find by going to gcfc.edu.jm. Now, once you navigate to the college website, you will then need to select the check email option, and then you will need to input your username which was supplied to you when you activated your account as a student, and then you will need to input your password which was also created by you when you activated your email. And if you have an authenticator, you will be required to approve the login. Now, I am just going to grab my mobile and approve the login, and the application will take me right in to the portal. Just give it a little bit of time. Now, once you're in the portal, you will head on up to the top right hand corner where the ellipsis or the applet launcher is right here. It's an icon that looks like 9 squares within a square. You will go there and you will click on it and wait for the drop down, and from the drop down you will select Office. The system will process your request and give you a new screen. And on this new screen, you will move to the right of the screen and look for Microsoft Word. Waiting on it. I'm going to close this because this is not what I'm looking for. And here it is. It says Install Office. This is the one that we're looking for. Sometimes it says Microsoft Word, sometimes it says Install Word, but in this case it says Install Office, I guess because of the browser that I'm using. And once you click on the drop down, it says Office 365 apps. You're going to click on that. It will bring up this pop-up window. It will also allow you to download the exe, the executable file. Let me do that again so you can see that in your window. I'm going to hold down Alt and install, and I will get a pop-up. Here it is. It's downloading. Should be in downloads. Alright, it's going to ask me to save it as. I'm going to select save. And just popped up a while ago. Here it is downloading. So it is now in my downloads. And here it is, office setup.exe. So it's an executable file which you can run in Windows. Next, once that has completed downloading, then you simply click open file and grant access to the system to install the file. So this is the entire process. It will take some time to install. It may take about 30 to 45 minutes depending upon the speed of your computer and the speed of your internet connection. Now once it has completed installing, you will then be able to use Microsoft Word regularly by going to Start and typing Word, and you will see the Word app. If you want Excel, you will type Excel. You will see the Excel app. Now once you open this, it will tell you that the application is unlicensed. All you need to do is to select activate and input your college email and password that you use to access your email, and that will grant you the full license to the application. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more videos. A document of these instructions is also available in the description below, and you can like the video if you want to see more videos.